Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Elle. I hope that you are doing well today, feeling loved and secure and encouraged. Today is a new day for another home decor haul, and this one is going to be from CB2, Marshalls, and a little bit of ZGALLERIE. Yes, indeed. So let's just jump right into it, okay? And I'll talk along the way. You can check out the CB2 tour on my channel just to give you a heads up if you want to do that. So let's start with ZGALLERIE. So here is a lovely gold vessel, okay? And here is another lovely gold vessel. This one is a bit taller. Yes, indeed. So these vessels, this was originally $99.99, so $100, and this one was originally $70, $69.95 or whatever, right? $70. So I went to ZGALLERIE to film the tour for you guys, and then I took a look around the store. I usually don't shop at ZGALLERIE too much because sometimes I find their pieces cheaper at HomeGoods or some lookalikes, some dupes at Ross. So I don't want to pay a lot of money for something that I know that I could possibly get cheaper because I am all about a discount. That is Miss L. I am all about the discount, okay? So yes, I just love looking for discounts. So yes, this piece right here, I ended up paying $40 for it. This one I paid $35 for. So it was a deal from ZGALLERIE, and the reason why, there's some scratches on here, and I got a good percentage off because I don't mind scratches, because unless you go like this in my house, you're not going to see the scratches, people, but I will see the money that I saved. So the reason for this haul, recently I've been trying to save money, but what happened, okay, I needed some new bookshelves for my home because for my living room, because I took the display cases out of my living room and I put them in this room that I'm in right now, which is my office, and I was looking for some bookshelves, so I went to the Salvation Army. I'm thrifting, right? And guess what? I found two brand new bookcases. They're not the usual, they're very unique. I can't say they're unique, but they're not everybody's style. But they were good for me, especially because, I paid $50 each for these bookshelves. So that was a score. But unfortunately, I had to take the good with the bad because they don't really go with a lot of gold. So I had to trim back on the gold. So a lot of the gold pieces that I bought that I showed on my haul recently, I had to what did I have to do? I had to take it back to HomeGoods, and I just have a few gold pieces mixed. So I'm literally unwrapping all of these things, but oh gosh. So I got this heavy marble piece here. Can you see the detail on it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Yes, indeed. It is a beautiful piece. It is extremely heavy. So I'm not going to be able to hold it up very much, but I love a very beautiful, chunky piece of decor. It really makes a statement in your house, right? And I really love this. This goes with the bookshelves that I'm getting. And I think, let's see how it looks with gold. So, I don't know. My lighting is kind of weird. So, but we'll see how it goes. And yes, this piece was very beautiful and very heavy. So, and okay, so CB2, I went to the store and I showed you a tour. It's on my channel right now. And yes, I really wasn't going to buy a lot of pieces. I said maybe one or two things. But the salespeople in there, they are fabulous. Okay, they really cater to you. So I went in, and the sales clerk that's at the door, she said, "Girl, go ahead and check those pieces out in the back. They're all floor samples. They're really cheap." And let me tell you, I scored big time. Okay, so let me just, I showed you this, right? Okay, so I'm gonna put this away and move in to the other pieces that I got, because I'm like, I'm really chatty today. Okay. So then I got a boyfriend here. No, this is a lamp that I picked up from CB2. And yes, This is a beautiful lamp. So how did I get this? This was a floor sample, yes, but I didn't see it right away when I went. I didn't, you know, I'm making the video, so I didn't really pay attention. But what I like to do with stores, especially when you're in the sales section, I make about 2 or 3 rounds before I leave the store. Why? Because there are things that are behind the cash register that people change their mind about and they put it back and you missed out on it. So I went the third, I think it was the second or third time I made my way around the store. This bad boy was sitting in the corner. Yes, indeed. And it didn't have a price on it, but it was on the floor sample sales section, you know. So Miss L ran over to the sales clerk. Excuse me. That's right. And so long story short, I ended up paying $40 for this beautiful lamp, and it is, let's see it here. You see, it's very thin, and it's exactly what I need because for my bookshelves. And my bookshelves, hint, hint, is like this color. It has this color in it, right? And then you're supposed to, you see the hardware here? So you're supposed to nail these to the wall. And it's really lovely. I think it's a really inquisitive piece. And I do like it. Look at how it looks, Linda. Look at how it looks with this. I'm sorry. I hope I can give you a better view of it later. But look at how it looks. I paid $40 something, like I said. So they had a lot of discounts, percentages off. You can get to a CB2 or Crate and Barrel or wherever and try to pick up some discounts. I hope you find some good stuff, guys, because I did. I was really happy with the stuff that I got. So I'm literally unwrapping everything while, you know, fresh out the bags, hot off the press, guys. Right here was originally $30. I don't know how much the price was. I'm going to be honest. I'm going to try to find it online. And if I can't, I'll just tell you how much I paid for it. CB2, I paid $30 for this. This was on the floor sitting in the sale, floor sample sale. They had a lot of planters, golds, and you know, copper planters on the floor, and I have enough of that, so I didn't really need that. So I just got this. And again, you know, I took back a lot of the gold pieces that I bought from Home Goods because I found the bookshelf. So I was able to afford some pieces from CB2, and again, they were at discounted prices, and they're quality products. I think their products are really quality. Look at the detail on it. I am in love with this. I think this is definitely a statement piece. It can go on top of a credenza, or it can go on the floor. Look at the bottom part. How lovely. Look at the detail. Texture. Yes, indeed. I really do appreciate this, and I do more appreciate the sales clerk alerting me. And if I had gotten there earlier in the day, guys, I mean, like, I had planned the whole trip. Like, I was like, I'm going to get there really early in the morning. And if I had got there early in the morning, I probably would have, like, had to have a trailer with me, right? I would have gotten everything. But that's another trick. Go to the stores early in the morning. And also, January, this is January liquidation sales. I went to Home Goods. There's a ton of stuff on clearance in the stores. Ross, there's going to be tons of stuff. Ross puts their stuff all the way down to 49 cents. Okay, yes, 49 cents. And you know Miss L will be grabbing a lot of those pieces. Okay, so I know I do want to know the neck rubbing, but I'm going to keep going, right? Just keep going, Miss L. What else you got? Here it is, a pyramid. I got to find the names of these things, okay? For you, this was $30. I love this piece. I love it. What a statement piece this is. It is gorgeous. I just can't wait to style this on one of my coffee tables or wherever. I wasn't leaving there without this. CB2 done hooked me up. $30 for the other vase. So I'm still doing good price-wise. So, voila. It is a beautiful crystal. I don't think that the lighting in here is doing this justice, but look at this. Look at the detail on this. Oh my goodness. It is so fantabulous. This is from CB2, guys. Yes, no Home Goods. I didn't go buy a crystal. I have some little pieces of crystal from Home Goods, but yes. And how much did I pay for this? $60. It was originally $79.99. I got an additional discount, But if you see it, I mean, I don't know, it wasn't a floor sample. Well, it was on the floor, right? They didn't get it from the back or anything like that. But yes, they had another one, like a circle one. It would look more rockish. This one had more dimensions and texture. So I got it. Can you see it? I love this. So I see them in Home Goods, but I never saw anything like this substantial. And I know that they have like some really good discounted ones at Home Goods, but I really like this because of the color. Yes, this is what I'm looking for. This color scheme is what I'm going for. I think everything just goes so lovely together, and I was really appreciative of that piece. I got really heavy, good, great pieces from CB2. I am so happy. So I got this piece here, right? You can see the texture on it. I love this tiered piece, this rippled. Oh, it's really nice. $16.99 from Marshalls. Really, really nice. I really love it. Hello, can you hear me? I'm so silly. I'm sorry. I can't make a video without being silly because that's just me. I don't take things too seriously. I love to laugh. So anyway, yeah, here it is. Please comment below and let me know what your favorite home decor store is. Please let me know where you like to shop. My favorite home decor store, of course, is Home Goods because you can find a variety of things. But my go-to, my unique store, I should say, I love World Market. I love funky, quirky pieces because that's just me. I found this, $7.99. This vessel, this is actually a planter. I'm going to use it indoors. This one was, how much was it? This one was $9.99. You could see it there. Love the texture, love the pattern on it. It's like a grayish taupe color. Gray and brown makes taupe. And yes, I really do like these. $7.99 and $9.99. I thought they were a good deal. I got two. I'm sure this comes in a bigger pot than this because when I show you what I got next, then you'll see. These. This one is $7.99. Again, it's like a lighter grayish taupe and creams. It's giving off all those colors. I love the texture on it. Can you see it? Can you see it? Yes, indeed. There it is. This is $7.99. The bigger one to the smaller one, and this was $9.99. Really good deal. Yes, indeed. I like. Yes, indeed. Okay, and then for my last piece, this is $14.99. Okay, $14.99. Yes, indeed. And this is the biggest vessel, or planter, I should say, that I got. Okay, guys, so that is it for me. That is all I bought, and I got some really good, meaty, substantial pieces. I'm so thankful to CB2 and the staff that was in there because they gave me some incredible discounts. I'm really happy with it. Please visit their website if you can't get to the store. Remember, CB2 is a branch of Crate & Barrel, so if you don't have a CB2 near you, maybe drop into Crate & Barrel and see what they have to offer. And remember, you can always shop online or save your money. You know, you do not have to shop because Leslie shops, okay? Miss L shops. You don't have to do it. But yes. So it has been an absolute pleasure hanging with you. I truly do appreciate all the love and all of the support and all of the motivation you give me. Thank you for liking my tours. Remember, do not follow trends. Remember, you are a trendsetter. Okay, be a trendsetter. Do not follow trends. You can do color if you want to do color. Your home doesn't have to look like everyone else's. You do what you like. You do what you love. So with that being said, thank you so much for hanging with me.